Hello and welcome to another tutorial. This tutorial is a half updo that I sort of just figured it out as I went along. I hope you like it. So take a section of hair from your hairline and split this into three. And you're going to make a Dutch lace braid, so you're only going to add in hair to the top strand. And you're going to take the added in piece of hair over to the middle. Pick up a piece of hair, add it to the middle going over the strand, and take the back strand over the middle strand. Front strand over the middle strand. Pick up a section of hair, add it to the middle and then cross the back section over the middle. Continue doing this until you get to the middle of the back of your head. You can loosen it up if you want to. Then you're going to continue this on the other side, doing the same steps as you were doing before. Then you can put a hairpin in and fluff it out if you want to. Then you're going to tie the braids together into a ponytail. Take a thin section of hair from the back of the ponytail and place it around the hair elastic to cover it up. And then make a tiny hole and flip the braid through. And you're going to pick up two sections of hair. Tie those together. Make a hole and flip the ponytail through. Then take a small section from the back of the ponytail and place it around the elastic band to cover it up. Hides the elastics but also makes the hairstyle have an extra dimension. Repeat this step again. And then finish with a normal 3-strand braid, or you can do a fishtail braid or a rope braid, whatever you fancy. And that's the finished look. And I hope you like it. Thank you for watching.